3P framework. Okay. Whenever we are speaking, a lot of people, हमने जैसे 2-point model समझा था, ठीक है, ऐसे ही 3P framework है. A lot of times people have this habit of over explaining, under explaining, sharing things which is right or wrong. तो उसके लिए हम एक ये framework use करेंगे to speak in these meetings. Okay, what are the 3 P's? First P is problem. First, describe the problem, describe the event, describe what is happening. Until people know what you are trying to solve, they don't understand it and they don't understand what is the solution. First P is problem. Second P is proposal. Proposal. Second P is proposal. What is your proposal to solve this problem? Directly. Problem, proposal. What is your solution? Third, and one of the most important, because this is where the implementation matters, which is the third P, which is profit. 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 Benefit तो B हो जाएगा ना फिर. What is the advantage of using this? What is the advantage of having this particular solution? Why should we use it? Now it looks like a different framework when it is written on the paper, but whenever we are speaking, if we are speaking in this line, adding 2 lines of problem, 2 lines of solution and 2 lines of profit, every time we speak, not only the conversations will become interesting, but also in those meetings, it will be very direct to the point and people will be able to understand you better.
What kind of speeches we can use this framework?
Sorry?
What kind of speeches we can use this?
You can use it, any kind of speeches which is trying to elaborate like a problem and solving something across. जैसे जिसमें हम लोग hook body close कर रहे थे, this is not hook body close. This is different. In this, we are talking about a specific problem, because in corporate you have seen in your meetings होता है ना, specific issues होते हैं जिन पे हमें काम करना है. Agendas, specific, should we implement the marketing strategy this quarter or the next quarter? Whatever is the thing. Problem, first is problem, second is proposal, the solution. Third is profit. ठीक है, एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं इसके लिए. A lot of us want to get up early and want to go to that gym that they have paid the membership for, but they're not able to do it. And the problem is that they are not sleeping at the right time. The body has its own capacity to tell when the rest is completed. But if we are sleeping at 11 or 12, there's no way you can get up at 6 or 4. And that brings me to a solution that I have, which I have implemented for myself, is ending up your day by having dinner at 6 and switching off the lights by 9. Not only gives the clarity to you that when is the sleeping time, but also your body is able to get that peace. This will help you get up in the morning, plus it will also help you achieve all the dreams that you have meant for yourself. Thank you. कुछ समझ गए? तो इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या था? Getting up early. All right. और इसमें नहीं, getting up early प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, sleeping late प्रॉब्लम था. ठीक है. सॉल्यूशन क्या था?
स्ट्रक्चर करना 6 बजे you must be having your dinner, then go to
Switch
bed.
off
Timely go to bed.
9 टाइमली गो टू बेड. और प्रॉफिट क्या था?
Fulfill all your dreams. Mental health.
और
Aspirations, dreams.
एस्पिरेशंस एंड ड्रीम्स बेसिकली, एंड दैट वे वी विल. ठीक है. सो आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो ऐसे करके हमने स्पीचेस बनानी है आज, एंड विल बी डिलीवरिंग दोज स्पीचेस अक्रॉस. मेरे को छोटी स्पीचेस चाहिए, 1 minute स्पीचेस, एंड दैट वे विल बी मेकिंग अक्रॉस. ठीक है. टॉपिक कैन बी एनीथिंग. यू कैन पिक अप अ टॉपिक एंड देन फ्रॉम देयर यू विल बी एबल टू मेक द स्पीचेस. ठीक है. नहीं, पहले लिख लो उसको.